Okay, so I got my new handy dandy EMF reader in the mail today, and as you can see, it's on. It's reading 0. We learned that anything over 2.5 is considered dangerous. Do have my dishwasher on. So didn't realize it was getting up to 52. Then of course I had to test out the microwave, because we all know there's radiation emitted from these things, but how much? Jumped up to 100 something, kind of sustaining, I guess depending on how far back you go. But the thing that was shocking to me was this device here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I turn it on, and you're going to be shocked at these readings that I get. We're no longer 2 point something, we're 1,500, 1,800. Taking a couple steps back here, probably about 3 steps back, we're within normal range. And as we get closer, this thing is just going crazy. I don't know if this is particular to my machine or if this is true with every sound machine, but I thought that was just crazy. This thing's going in the garbage.